When we're kids, we're taught to share, and we spend our lives sharing. We share toys, food, phone chargers, umbrellas, Wi-Fi, moments, secrets, memes.
What are those?
We share news, updates. We share the same planet, same oxygen, experience, information, our goals, and dreams. Sometimes our passwords, and even our work and data. But when it comes to sharing spreadsheets, it's an all-or-nothing type of deal. Layer is an add-on that equips your Google Sheets with powerful collaboration tools. You can sync data from different tools and sources into Google Sheets, share parts of your spreadsheets, like specific sheets, or even cell ranges with collaborators, set deadlines, and automate recurring tasks. Your collaborators can then make edits and updates to the shared file and submit it for review. And you get to review and approve every single change before merging it back with your master file, giving you more control over your data than ever. Install the add-on for free and start managing, automating, and scaling your processes on top of Google Sheets.